Hey there. So let's look at the reason that a lot of people fail online. A lot of people fail to make money online because they don't know how to recruit and they don't use lead generating systems. So once you generate leads, you can easily turn those leads into sales or referrals by getting them on an email list. And Online Sales Pro is one of the best systems that can take your business to the next level. How would you like a powerful software platform that will turn your online traffic into those leads for your business? And depending on what your goals are, you could generate leads and build an email list. Online Sales Pro also offers an awesome affiliate program as well, where you can receive 54% commission. Now, there's not many programs out there that offer a commission that high, over 50%. So why don't you start today a free trial with Online Sales Pro, 14 days, free trial. You don't even need your credit card. You don't need to put any payment information in there. And for a lot of people, I know for myself, that's a very sort of comforting thought, because you're not putting your information in there and thinking about that future payment. You can get in there, have your free trial, look at the system, look at everything it has to offer, and then you can decide whether you want to continue with it. So take a look below this video, and all the best towards your success.